Porsche is running the Axon TC10 with the gold body. I am positioning myself here because we're trying to practice the line for this corner. Oh, see, that's the wrong line, I think, but so she can watch at home and see if this is the line or not. Okay, so she's positioned at the farthest to the driver's stand. So this corner is difficult for her. It's the farthest corner. And what we're doing is I'm showing her. We were standing here and trying to figure out the correct line, whether it's this one or this one, and attack the apex. The car is kinda okay. I think we need to focus more on the driving lines. That one looks kinda okay. The difference, I think, between the winners and the fastest is how they are at the entry of the corner. They are deeper, smoother, faster. Then they can carry the speed throughout the corner. And they don't have to pull on the throttle at the exit as much because the car is already exiting with momentum. So they're actually smoother and less aggressive on the throttle on exit. But the main thing is they are very good at entering the corner on the brakes, deep but smooth. And then when they release the brake, the car just flies through the corner. The fight is in the braking skill, not really the throttling skill, I think, in modified. So this is modified. So this video is more for her to analyze her lines here, where she cannot see from the driver's stand. And maybe subconsciously she can just trust in the video. Okay. It's also hard to see here from the driver's stand. It's kind of like a blind spot as well, this end of the straight. It's easy, but the track is relatively easy, but the fast guys can do 1 or 2 seconds faster, and you know, it's because of how they do the corner speed on entry. Like here, her car stops somewhere there. After entering, it stops right there, whereas they will just shoot out. Now, whether it's car setup or we don't know yet, but it's good to analyze. I'm helping her analyze so she can really see how slow the car is here and the wrong line here, which will make her wide there. No momentum at all. Also, a challenge here is around 6. This time the moths come out, and really it's hard to drive. The pit area is full of moths, and we try to pack up before it gets really bad. But right now it's here. Yeah. All right, maybe it's 5 minutes. Yeah, she stops right there. This one much better. Yeah. All right. And a few more people at night. We'll do one more session. Change battery, put some sauce. Right now the focus is driving, not really setup. Setup is decent. Alright. Where is my driver? There's my driver. Alright.